In this video, we are going to talk about Google Lumiere. Google released a new artificial intelligence tool called Lumiere, and with this tool, you can generate videos either from text prompts. For example, here you can type sailboat sailing on a sunny day in a mountain lake, and it will create a video out of it. Or you can create a video from an image. You can upload an image, for example, a famous painting like Mona Lisa, and you can select the region that you want to animate, and Lumiere will create a video out of it. Here there are some examples. A happy elephant wearing a birthday hat walking under the sea. A snowflake falls from the sky. These are just examples. And as you can see already from here, some of them looks very good. However, there are some issues. For example, here with the cat, you can see in the eye there is something weird. So it is a pretty powerful tool. However, it has also limitation for sure. We cannot try yet, so Google didn't release yet the possibility to try it already, but it will be possible very soon. Other things you can do is to have a stylized generation. And you can also stylize a video. Basically, as you can see here, you have a source video with a woman running, and you can change the material, let's say, of the human being with origami, flowers, wooden blocks, and other things. Another thing that you can do is that you can upload an image, for example, a butterfly, and you can select the region that you want to animate, and it will animate that region. Or for example, here with some fire, you can select that area and it will create a fire effect. Okay, that's it for today. You can check out the description of this video, in which you can find the official link to Lumiere and other resources about artificial intelligence tools.